Let's continue getting you international updates this morning, where US President Donald Trump has officially signed the commission confirming Kash Patel as the 9th director of the FBI. This confirmation was announced by the White House Deputy Chief of Staff on social media as the moment that he was confirmed. Take a look at how he reacted.
President Trump has more of his team in place today than any president has had at this point since 2001. And we've done this despite obstruction by Democrats. Every nominee has received a fair process, as promised, and the Senate will continue to keep its foot on the gas until President Trump's cabinet table is full. Mr. President, later today, the Senate will vote to confirm Kash Patel to be director of the FBI. Mr. Patel will lead the nation's primary federal law enforcement agency at a critical time.
She's the Secretary of Agriculture. It's a big deal. That's great, Brooke. That was a good vote you had, too, huh? She went through very easily, a little easier than some of our people, but they were all approved, every one of them. And today we just had Kash Patel approved, which is great. So, Brooke, congratulations.
Well, Kash Patel being confirmed as the FBI director by the Senate by a narrow margin of 51-49 vote, despite the opposition coming in from certain senators there. However, as his confirmation has now come across, he is thanked President Donald Trump as the 9th director of the FBI, thanking President Trump and Attorney General for their support. Kash Patel has emphasized when it comes to restoring public trust in the Bureau, where he is pledged to end the politicization of justice system. And also when it comes to, this is what he has said, thanking President Donald Trump, saying that I'm honored to be confirmed as the 9th director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Thank you, President Trump and the Attorney General, for your unwavering confidence and support. The FBI has a storied legacy, right from the G-men to safeguarding our nation in the wake of 9/11. The American people deserve FBI that is transparent, accountable and committed to justice. The politicization of our justice system has eroded public trust, but that ends today. My mission as the director is clear. Let good cops be cops and rebuild trust in the FBI. Working alongside with the dedicated men and women of the Bureau and our partners, we will rebuild FBI the American people can be proud of. So this is Kash Patel there, thanking President Trump. Of course, a narrow margin that he has won this. Of course, let's get in a word from Pradeep Datta, who is joining us this morning, because Pradeep, good morning to you. Now, in that, as far as thanking Donald Trump for giving him this opportunity to lead the FBI, Kash Patel also seems to be issuing a stern warning to those who threaten America, vowing to track them down globally.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Already congratulatory messages have started pouring in. Kash Patel has become the 9th director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, and because he's considered to be Donald Trump loyalist in the past, also he has said that his job will be, once he will become director, will to find out the enemies of Donald Trump also, and he's going to make this Federal Bureau of Investigation accountable and transparent organization where there will be no external force working to control the law and justice system here in this area. Because already we have seen that Donald Trump often had been talking about the role of the deep state, how the deep state, that invisible hand, has been playing a role where the law enforcement agencies were not able to work properly in what actually their job was. They were not doing that. Instead, it was the politicization of this organization. So the role for this Federal Bureau of Investigation is cut out under Kash Patel, and it's also a good sign for India, because see, one more Indian has risen to such a position that this shows that how the Indian influence is increasing. And you can see that Bollywood meme, one of the movie of Ranbir Kapoor, has been there put out on the social media site to congratulate Kash Patel. That clearly shows two things. One, that how about the rising soft power of India, that how Bollywood is becoming popular. It's not about Hollywood, it's Bollywood also the people have started talking about. And second thing is that Indian rising to that position. And third thing is that already the message has been clear from his side that he's going to make this organization more transparent.
That very video that you just mentioned, Pradeep, we're going to play that out exactly when it comes to, the Indian origins and the way that congratulatory messages that have been pouring in and celebration as well when it comes to this video that is now concerned. Let's put that out for our viewers what Pradeep is actually talking about. This is the White House official that using Bollywood movie meme to announce the confirmation of Kash Patel as the FBI chief. This is a special announcement by the White House using Bollywood meme and to announce the confirmation. As you can see, this is one of the most popular movies there, as far as instead of Ranveer Singh playing the role there of Bajirao Mastani, I believe this is the movie, AI generated face of Kash Patel has now been used for the confirmation as far as his now leadership is concerned, as he is now the FBI chief. And congratulations to the new director of the FBI, Kash Patel. And this is a Bollywood movie meme that is being used to congratulate Kash Patel. All right, congratulatory messages pouring in. But